question 7 from the quiz. Adding together again. This time we need a common denominator. And in order to figure that out, it's hard to tell how to make these match. But our goal is, our first goal should be to factor the denominators. So the one on the right is pretty much already factored, but the one on the left, we can factor it with x and x, and then multiply to 4 and add to 5. Sometimes students don't think there's anything, but if you think about it, 1 and 4, right? Plus 1, plus 4. All right, so hopefully that helps us realize that to make these denominators match, all right, all I got to do on the other one is multiply by x plus 4. We've already got the x plus 1 part, so just multiply the top and bottom by x plus 4. Okay, so now I'm going to rewrite the whole question with common denominators, which is going to be x plus 1 times x plus 4. Okay, and then on the first fraction, we didn't do anything to it other than factor it, so the numerator is the same. The second fraction, we've got to take that times 8, so it'd be 8x plus 32. All right, and so once you add, you keep those denominators same. So that doesn't change, and then just add the numerators. So in this case, x plus 8x is 9x, and 6 plus 32 is 38. And that is our answer. All right, hopefully that helps for number 7.